Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, walking to the beach, and instead of the salty blue ocean, you see a giant, sparkling, yellow sea of lemonade. Waves of sweet, fizzy citrus stretching across the horizon. Seagulls are confused. Fishermen are crying. And somewhere, Pepsi executives are screaming. So what happens if every ocean on Earth suddenly turned into lemonade overnight?
First, let's define what we mean by lemonade. We'll assume the classic recipe: water, lemon juice, sugar, and maybe some fizz. Basically, a sweet,
The ocean is home
sour,
to millions of species:
carbonated
fish,
liquid.
whales, plankton,
Now
coral reefs. All of them
replace
rely on salt
all
water to survive. The moment
1.3
lemonade takes over, everything
billion
dies.
cubic
Why? Because lemonade
kilometers
is
of
acidic,
seawater
sugary,
with
and has
this
no oxygen
stuff.
dissolved in it. Fish can't breathe
That's
sugar
more
water. Coral reefs would
lemonade than
dissolve like candy in
every
soda. Even plankton,
barbecue
the
in
base of the food
history
chain,
could
would vanish.
drink.
Within hours, the
But
oceans would become
this
giant,
giant
sterile swimming
soda
pools of sticky lemon
fountain
goo. And speaking of
isn't
sticky,
just
imagine beach trips now.
delicious,
Sand already sticks to
it's
everything. Add sugar water.
catastrophic.
Congratulations, your skin is now a glazed donut. The ocean isn't just a giant fish tank. It's the planet's air conditioner. It absorbs heat, circulates currents, and drives weather. But lemonade has totally different properties. It's thicker, stickier, and can't circulate heat the way salt water does. Ocean currents like the Gulf Stream would collapse. Weather patterns would go haywire. Some regions would freeze, others would roast. Hurricanes? Still possible, but now powered by lemon-scented sugar fuel. Imagine Category 5 lemonade storms slamming into Florida. Not refreshing. Here's where it gets scarier. Ocean water has salt, and salt is crucial for regulating the planet's chemistry. Without it, entire ecosystems collapse. Plus, all that sugar, trillions of tons, wouldn't just sit there. Bacteria love sugar. So almost instantly, microbes would start feasting. As they digest, they release carbon dioxide and methane, turning Earth's atmosphere into a greenhouse gas nightmare. Air quality plummets. Temperatures soar. Basically, Earth becomes a sweaty, sticky lemon sauna. Okay, but what about us? At first, people might celebrate. Free lemonade forever. Cities would try to bottle and sell it. Instagram would explode with hashtag Oceanade selfies. But soon the problems kick in. Ships can't sail through sticky liquid. Global trade collapse. Desalination plants? Useless. You can't remove sugar like you remove salt. Drinking water? Gone. Unless you love brushing your teeth with Sprite. Agriculture suffers. Without rain cycles powered by normal oceans, droughts hit hard. Crops die. And fun fact, pouring lemonade on your farm doesn't help. It just makes ants very, very happy. So what's the ultimate result? Within a few months, Earth would spiral into an ecological and human disaster. Most sea life, gone. Climate, broken. Humanity, struggling to survive with no fresh water and collapsing food chains. The planet becomes hot, sticky, lemon-scented chaos. In other words, the dream of an endless summer pool party? Not so great when the pool is 360 quintillion gallons of warm soda. It turns out, the oceans are perfect the way they are. Salt water may not taste good, but it keeps Earth stable and alive. Lemonade, while delicious in a glass, would destroy everything we know. So maybe next time you sip some, be thankful it's in a cup and not replacing the Pacific Ocean. So what other ridiculous what if should we test next? Let me know your wildest ideas in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this dive into lemon-scented doom, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button. Who knows what weird scenario we'll explore next?